how do you define your audience now compared to your audience almost 40 years ago?
Oh, yes.
Less violent.
Less slam dancing, less
Physical.
Sabi ko nga nung panahon namin ng mga 80s, you see body slamming, you know, kahit anong kantahin namin, there will be something happening on stage na may lilipat na katawan dyan, picture, or whatever, di ba? And sometimes, yeah, it can get really, you know, rough, no? And then later on, you see people are just with their cell phones at ganun. Diba? I think that's the changing of the tide. But yeah, kami rin nanibago nung simula eh. When we started having audiences that were younger, you know, but it doesn't mean that they don't like you pala. In fact, we had this event. Just to make a specific example, we played for a JBL event when they launched a product sa MOA Concert Grounds, and we opened the show, no? Big show, a lot of fireworks and snazzy stuff. And then the audience was just basically kids, younger than my daughter, you know, they were just there and watching.
SB19 fans.
Mga SB19 fans. So medyo kinakabahan din kami kasi fans ng SB19 and Horizon, you know. So after the gig, sabi ko sa anak ko, my daughter was there with me, sabi ko, anak, did they enjoy the show? Sabi niya, Dad, they did because they were twirling their light sticks or whatever. Tapos si Roxy, yung aming photographer, sabi niya, sabi niya, Sir Jet, ganun yun kasi pag binaba nila yung those light sticks during your performance, that's the sea of death or something na sinasabi nila. Ganun ba? Yeah. So the mere fact they were flashing the lights like that, you know, to salamat and envelope ideas, that means, yeah, nag-connect kayo. So I think the appreciation gestures have changed. But ngayon, for the fact that you see them smiling and mouthing off your songs to the lyrics, I think yun na yun eh. It's a win compared to the 80s then when people would be slamming and punching each other. Iba na lang talaga iba na lang yung gestures na yun.